for this? I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make it happen. Make it happen.
Make it happen.
Make it happen.
Make it happen.
Make it happen.
To make it happen.
You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know. But no, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it...
Hello, my name is Bert Oliva. I want to start by thanking you. I will guarantee that we will give you tools and techniques to help your business and your organization, in fact, your life, get to that next level.